How to master anger with 3 simple daily habits. We've all felt it, that tight chest. The words you wish you could take back. Anger isn't the enemy, it's a signal. But left unchecked, it burns everything good. Today, 3 simple habits from quiet minds who stay calm under fire. No apps, no gurus, just what you can start right now. Stick with me. By the end, you'll have a plan to make anger your teacher, not your boss. Habit 1. The breath reset. First, when the heat rises, don't fight it. Breathe through it. Inhale for 4 counts. Hold. Exhale for 6. Feel your shoulders drop? That's the pause where anger loses steam. Why it works. Your body tricks your mind into slow mode, cutting the fight or flight spike by half in seconds. Try it now. Close your eyes. In. Hold. Out. See. That's power you always carry. Habit 2. The step away. Second. Step away, literally. 5 steps, 10, or a full walk. Leave the room, the phone, the trigger. Not running, resetting. Distance gives clarity. What felt huge shrinks in fresh air. I've walked off arguments that could have lasted days. You will too. Pro tip. Make it a ritual. Grab your coat, breathe the outside in. Anger can't chase if you don't stand still. Habit 3. The grounding anchor. Third, ground with something real. A sip of warm coffee. Fingers tracing wood grain. The cool earth underfoot. Tune into senses. Sight. Touch. Taste. It yanks you from the mental loop back to now. This one's my morning anchor. One small thing reminds me. Anger's just weather, not the sky. Anchor yours today. What's one touchstone that pulls you present? These habits aren't magic. They're practice. Start with 1 this week. Breath on Mondays. Step on Wednesdays. Ground daily. Track in a note. What shifted? Anger fades when you choose calm. If this helped, hit like means you're not alone. Drop your go-to reset below. More guides coming. Walk easy. And remember, the calmer you become, the stronger you actually are. See you in the next one.